Well, this is the very northern end of the Placencia sidewalk. Really, it turns into what you're seeing here. This is January 2019, so we'll walk back towards the sidewalk all the way to Barefoot Beach Bar. Show you what there is. It's a lot less than what I thought as far as shops or beach bars, but this is supposedly the high season and it's really quiet compared to San Pedro and on Ambergris Key, and we haven't been there in 9 or 10 years, and it was happening at this time of year. So I don't think you really consider this part of the newest sidewalk, but this is where concrete starts, at least. And I'd say from the Municipal Pier, without getting on Google Maps or anything, it's probably a mile and a half from one end to the other. And the beach is right here. 100 yards, most places, to the beach off the sidewalk. And I don't see any non-accessibility as far as just going right in there wherever you want to go. There's some private residences, looks like, down at this end instead of businesses. Then up here is where the across this road looks like it's where the newest part of the sidewalk, whenever it is built, starts. Right here, here's beach access. There's people down there. It's pretty hazy and cool today, mostly in the 60s all morning. Now I think we're climbing up in the mid 70s, but I'm still wearing a hoodie. Of course, we spent an hour on the golf cart, or 2 hours, going up to the casino and back. So this is kind of wider part of the sidewalk. Sorry about the shaking camera, but I don't have a gimbal. Probably be my next purchase, or a camera that's gimbalized. And say this looks mostly to be private residences here, and a few resort places. Here's what looks to appear to be a nice place with chairs on the beach. And the main road's not far off the sidewalk. I mean, it's over that direction, about 100 yards. So this is Casa Palma. Looks like a very nice little vacation resort place. Caribbean Beach Cabanas is next door to it. Little beach bungalow here, Heaven's Gate. There's Lydia's guest house. See some advertisement for it on the internet. Did you find your lot?
No, still looking.
I guess really the newest part of the sidewalk's coming up. My first time here, so I really don't know. I'm just filming this so newcomers can get an idea what it's like here on the Placencia sidewalk. And like I say, hardly any people, and this is their high season. I know Ambergris over at San Pedro is just happening. Just about everybody on our flight from Dallas Fort Worth seemed like we're going there. And here now we get into some shopping and excursion places. Looks like a real nice place right here. The Elysian, Miramar. And this will take you all the way down to the Municipal Pier. There's a Detach Restaurant, Seafood and Bar. Haven't eaten there yet, but it's on our list to do this week. Sidewalk's real nice, but could have been a little wider. You always have to go single file once someone's coming from the other direction, which isn't too often. Alright, I'm going to stop here because I want to go in barefoot and have a beer. But it's no more than 200, 300 yards south of here, and where it ends, I'll pick up filming after I have me a cocktail. Okay, this is my continuation of the Placencia sidewalk. Going from north to south, it's Barefoot's. Barefoot Bar and Grill here. And then you have right back behind here the Tipsy Tuna. So this is a Saturday morning in January 2019. It's been misting all morning, but as you can see, it's still good. Hey, it's good. Good walking weather. It's cool. Galleries, arts, cruise excursions. Here's Aphrodite's. This is a good place to eat. Great breakfast. Haven't tried the Big Titty rum yet, but it's supposed to be good. So if you want to come off the main road and go to Barefoot's or Tipsy Tuna, here's a good place to park. It's right across the street from the police station, so you see the police station, just pull into this parking area. Golf cart parking, car parking, everything else. So once again, we're continuing south. We're going to go all the way down to the Municipal Pier, which is probably from here, quarter of a mile maybe. Once again, you can get all your little trinkets, souvenirs and stuff, and they have all kinds of excursion places, scuba diving, fishing, snorkeling that you can book all the way down here. Cozy Corners is a good place to eat. We've eaten dinner there, and it's back out this way, right on the beach. Once again, there's some more parking right here too. It's right across from the Pier, where you can catch the Placencia Pier there. Placencia Pier. You get the Hokey Pokey Ferry back over there if you want to go to Independence or Mango Creek, which we were planning on doing today, but it's been raining and didn't want to get wet, soaking wet, and then go over there. So here's your Serenade Hotel.
Welcome to Belize, man.
Yes, thank you. Here's another little, looks like a local bar. Never see how many people in there, but they got the music pumping during the day. Once again, it's kind of cloudy and dreary today. I'd say the temperature's mid 70s. In fact, it's misting a little bit right now. I'll clean my lens just in case. There we go. Sorry about that. This place looks like it's setting up for some food today. I haven't seen it set up. Saturday, chicken 10 Belize, pork chops 15, ribs 20, pulled pork 15. It smells good. The sidewalk's nice, but like I said in one of my earlier videos, it could be a little wider because you end up going single file quite a bit. And there's also lots of sidewalks off to the side that'll take you to the beach, and sidewalks going the other direction west that'll take you out to the main road. Starting to mist again a little bit. It's another little place to get souvenirs here. Rick's Cafe's always got a crowd in it, especially at night. Get a little water on the lens here. Trying to keep it pointed down. I was waiting until it stopped raining, but I'm gonna have to end this video up here and finish a third part. All kinds of little cottages here, not sure the names of them. One of these easy living apartments, so these are kind of long-term rentals. It's a real nice place to eat and hang out, especially if you want to talk to a lot of expats. We've hung out there a couple of times, called the Pickle Parrot. It's right down this sidewalk off to the right, past the school. And this is where we're staying, Brisa Oceano. It's a newer complex. Getting ready to add on over this direction in the off season, supposedly. Seaview Suites. Haven't seen but a handful of people staying in there this week. Check out this lens. Yep, get more raindrops on it. We're going to go ahead and make it all the way down the Municipal Pier. Sorry about the misting rain. We've had 2 cruise ships in this week that stay over or dock over at Harvest Key, about a mile or 2 off, and supposedly they only let 200 or 300 of their passengers over here, and we actually couldn't tell when they were here, even though it's very quiet. So I don't know where they hung out, but we didn't see it as far as foot traffic, and we were all around town both those days. Getting down to the end here. It's one thing we've noticed, there's lots of places for sale. They're building a ton, especially north of here, past Maya Beach. And from some of the expats we talked to who've been here for years, it's constantly changing. So what might be on this video today may be totally different in a year or two. Here's a place right here for sale. Looks like a whole bar or restaurant. Something going up here. Now you have some of your dive shops down here. You can book tours, dive. The Shack, that's a good place for breakfast. We ate there this morning. Great Fry Jacks. Ate dinner there too. As you can see, there's a few people in there. So here's the Municipal Pier. It's been here about 4 years. And anchorage for some of the cruisers. Looks like to be a good anchorage. So this is the Placencia sidewalk. It's pretty much in. The main road starts here and goes all the way north, Placencia Road. Alpha just stopped misting. Alright.